Proceed to task 5, which is about generating a report from the new table TBL stock 2 with certain formatting. We're asked to show all fields except date of release, sort in descending order, and we can use the report wizard to generate those two items. And once we have the wizard created, we can change the design of the report to cover the 4 remaining bullet points. Get started on our report by clicking create and entering the report wizard. All fields were asked to be included, removing the date of release and the label. Proceed to the next step. We don't need any grouping levels in this particular report. And once you come to the field sort, asked to sort in the album name field in descending order. So we click on the ascending button to change that to descending. Then proceed onwards. We're going to select the tabular form. For the time being, we'll leave it in portrait format. Let's see if that fits. And we'll accept the default Office theme. RPT stock 2 followed by your initials. We'll have a preview the report by clicking the finish button. Okay, so here's how the report appears in its printed format at the moment, and you can see it all fits on one page. However, we may wish to exit the print preview and enter the design view to make a few modifications based on what's asked for in the exam paper. First one, display the title stock report centrally over the data. Just quite easy, similar to the form. So you just click on the text box holder there, move it centrally. Stock report is now displayed. Show a figure for the average price of CDs. So you identify the price of CDs, click on it, and in the design group under totals you select the average total. If you're asked to just give it a normal total, that would be the sum total, so we're asked to give the average, and that appears in the footer of the report. Display the figure for average price of CDs in currency formatted. This will happen naturally because you have identified the price of CDs in the table design at the beginning to be of currency format. This will have the knock-on effect of having the average figure being displayed in currency formatted. And finally, columns should be aligned under the column heading and evenly spaced across the page. You can see at the moment they are aligned like so. We may change some of the width of the columns to evenly space it a bit better. So I'll just take a look at the report view first to see how I may improve that. The album name, as you can see, not every album name fits, so I may have to make that column more wide, reduce the width of the CD code, and tinker around appropriately until I get things right. I can't see the full title there for final, so it's a case of returning to your design view, clicking on the title, making a few changes, and returning to your report view. I may center these two columns here to make them look better than in stock and the vinyl available. Including the data in the field here. I'm disabled from doing that in the vinyl available field, I've just noticed. And again, keep on doing this, modifying and return to design view until you're happy that you've got everything refined to the most desirable layout. Once you're happy with your design view, your design of your report, it's now time to print off that report. However, before you do that, you want to identify your names. You can easily click on the label button up here in the design pane and place your name in the top. right hand corner, or your initials if you wish. And when you enter the print preview, you can see this report fits nice and neatly with your initials up in the corner, one page, and it's ready to click print.